Fresh fruits, veggies, crunchy and bright, keep us strong and full of light. Milk and nuts help us grow. Healthy foods make energy flow. Chips and candy taste so nice, but too much isn't very wise. Sugary drinks and burgers too can make us tired, not like you. Eat your greens and drink good milk. Stay active, smooth like silk. Run and play, jump all day. Healthy food leads the way. Sometimes treats are okay to eat, but not every day. Keep it neat. Balanced food, be strong and smart. Healthy habits from the start. Healthy or junk, you choose today. Pick the good and shout, hooray! Strong body, happy mood. That's the power of health.